In this video, we listed the 5 best beginner drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lenovo P14 GPS Drone. The product is a brushless aerial photography folding drone that comes with various accessories including the drone itself, a battery, remote control, obstacle avoidance device, fan blades, USB cable, screwdriver, and instruction manual. The drone is designed in black, gray color with foldable dimensions of 7.5 cm * 14 cm * 8 cm when folded and 21.5 cm * 17 cm * 8 cm when open. It operates on a 5G frequency with 6-channel 6-axis gyroscope control suitable for ages 14 and above. The package includes a 4K, 8K resolution camera with 540 degrees electric adjustment, offering a transmission distance of 300 to 500 meters via Wi-Fi. The drone features altitude fixing mode, optical flow positioning, custom route planning, APP control, gesture camera, and obstacle avoidance technology. With a 3.7V 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery, users can enjoy up to 35 minutes of flight time. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor for powerful and durable performance, along with features like one-key return, headless mode, and stable flight characteristics. Additionally, it offers anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope for stability, and 540 degrees obstacle avoidance capabilities, all within a lightweight and compact design. Number 2. New P25 Triple Drone. The P25 drone is a professional-grade UAV featuring a triple camera setup capable of capturing stunning 8K HD aerial photography. Designed for precision, it incorporates GPS technology and obstacle avoidance capabilities to ensure smooth and safe flights. The drone boasts a compact form factor that can expand to 23 by 23 by 7 cm and collapse to 9 by 13 by 7 cm, making it highly portable. With a 3.7V 2000 mAh lithium battery, it offers a flight time of approximately 25 minutes and can be conveniently controlled via a remote or a mobile phone app. The product also features various functions such as intelligent obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, headless mode, and real-time transmission. Additionally, it supports VR mode, multi-speed adjustment, 3D tumbling, trajectory flight, and more. The drone comes in dark blue, orange, and gray color variants, and is equipped with high-definition pixels, modular battery system, and lighting control. With a range of specifications including 8K video resolution, complete omnidirectional sensing system, GPS, and a 150-meter remote control distance, the P25 drone is an advanced and versatile tool for aerial photography and exploration. Number 3. OUZEY K10 MAX Drone. The K10 MAX is a folding aircraft with a sleek silver and black design, featuring 3 cameras, including front, vertical, and overhead views, along with 4-way obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, and motorized 4K HD pixel lens. Weighing 359 g, this drone comes with a 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, offering an approximate 12-minute flight time with a 60-minute charging time. It offers a flight altitude of about 100 meters and a remote control distance of 80 to 100 meters, suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. It comes equipped with a range of features such as pneumatic height setting, high-definition image transmission, gravity sensor, trajectory finger painting, and more. Additionally, the purchase guide provides details on express logistics, buyer precautions, and the after-sale service, ensuring a seamless purchasing experience. The drone's specifications include its electric nature, compatibility with lithium batteries, anti-wind ability, a takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms, a 4K UHD video capture resolution, and a remote control distance of 100 m. With its diverse feature set and detailed purchase guidelines, the K10 MAX offers a comprehensive drone experience for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Lenovo V88 Drone. The Lenovo V88 Drone Original is a professional UAV equipped with dual 8K high-definition cameras featuring anti-shake technology and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. With a remote control distance of 10,000 meters, this drone offers advanced features such as altitude setting with a pressure sensor, optical flow localization, and a general brush motor. The Escape operates at 4000 kV, and image transmission can be done through 5G high-frequency or Wi-Fi. The drone's camera setup includes a self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization lens, with a 90 degrees adjustable camera and a 50x optical zoom. This drone boasts a flight time of approximately 40 minutes and a 3.7 V 2200 mAh intelligent lithium battery. Additionally, it features gesture photography, obstacle avoidance technology, and various flight modes including one-key return and customized route planning. The compact and lightweight design of the Lenovo V88 drone ensures easy maneuverability, making it an ideal option for aerial photography enthusiasts and drone pilots. Number 5. K911 MAX GPS RC Drone. The K911 MAX Drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for both indoor and outdoor use, packed with impressive features and functions. Powered by a 1503 brushless motor and equipped with a 7.4 V 2500 mAh battery, this drone boasts a flight time of around 25 minutes and a remote control distance of 1200 m. With 360 degrees all-round laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, and 5G Wi-Fi return mode, the drone ensures smooth and safe flying experiences. Other key features include intelligent following, gesture photography, video recording, dual camera switching, fixed point surrounding, and 50x picture zoom. The package includes the drone, remote control, storage bag, manual, screwdriver, spare fan blades, USB charging cable, and more. Certified with 3C, this drone is suitable for beginners and enthusiasts aged 14 and above, offering an engaging and immersive aerial photography experience.